This is a different kind of classroom because this is an empowered classroom.
With the tools, resources, and AI activity generator I get for free from Empowered, I can bring life to my classroom.
My students can move around, work together, figure things out, and have fun while they're actively learning. And guess what? They're absolutely thriving.
Beyond giving me the resources and time that let me teach the way I want to teach, Empowered helps me create a collaborative culture and community.
Where no voice is quieted.
Where no idea or answer is ridiculed.
Where we celebrate even the smallest of wins.
Bring more of you to your classroom.
Bring real learning to your classroom.
Bring life to your classroom.
That's what Empowered has done for me. That's what Empowered can do for you too.
Join us at teachempowered.org and try our always free tools and activities in your classroom.